5 Best Air Humidifier. Here is the product number 5. Xiaomi Deerma Household Air Humidifier. Features: with stable bottom, it can be conveniently placed on flat ground for using. It can humidify the air-conditioned room effectively. It can accurately detect indoor temperature, and the temperature can be clearly displayed. With timing function, you can adjust the humidifying time easily. 3 adjustable gears of fog quantity are designed for meeting different needs. Here is the product number 4. Home Appliances USB Humidifier. Features romantic colorful soothing night light. Humidifier with continuous mister and intermittent mist mode free exchange. Small size large capacity 300 ml last work 12 hours. Exquisite high quality artificial outlook. Heavy mist with ultra quiet design. Working time: 12-18 hours. The spray will automatically turn off after 4 hours of work by default. Here is the product number 3. Portable 300 ml humidifier. Specification: product name, Dazzle Cup Humidifier. Regular shutdown, 4 hours/6 hours. Material: ABS plus silicone, electronic components. Operating current: 25350 mAh. Product weight: 106 grams. Spray volume: 30-45 ml/h. Here is the product number 2. 220 ml Ultrasonic Air Humidifier. Information: product, USB portable humidifier. Material: ABS plus PP. Water tank, 220 ml. Size: 80x80 139 mm. Color: white, pink. Power: 1.5 to 2 watts. Voltage: DC 5V. Colorful light. Portable USB chargeway. Here is the product number 1. saengQ Electric Humidifier. Information: product, USB portable humidifier. Brand name, saengQ. Water capacity, 300 ml. Color: dark wood grain, light wood grain. Power: 2 watts. Voltage: 5 volts. Display power: 50 ml/h. Power type: USB. Type: ultrasonic humidifier.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.